Very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and here in this session we are going to discuss the topic message confidentiality, which is very important as per the cryptography and network security, because the terms like message integrity, message authenticity and digital signature might make confusion to you. So we have already discussed this lecture, so if you haven't watched that lecture then must go through that lectures, right? This will be gonna very useful for you as the kind of exams you are attempting like UGC NET, CS, TNTR, BPG, NEET, ISRO, bar, gate, right? All kind of exams have this topic in their syllabus, and they are again and again asking from their basics of these terms, right? So please watch that, subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon button and stay tuned with us, right? So in this lecture we are first discuss the definition of message confidentiality, and after that we will try to discuss its architecture via block diagram so that you can understand the concept completely, right? So let's explore definition. So the message confidentiality is nothing but sender and receiver are expecting privacy over message, right? So suppose a sender is there and suppose a receiver is there, right? So both are expecting privacy over their message. So what does privacy over the message means? So means that message only makes sense to the senders and receivers, means that message must be a garbage value for all others. Means suppose you are a customer and at the receiver side or at this side suppose a bank is there, then you are expecting that this communication should be between us, right? Nobody else can know about this information. That is nothing but message confidentiality. And how message confidentiality works, you can understand simply like that. Suppose a message is there, right? So before message you can understand, like suppose sender is there. So sender is creating message, and message will gonna encrypt, and it will be encrypted by shared secret key, right? So by shared secret key or by any encryption algorithm it will be encrypted, and now it will be decrypted, and it will be decrypted by same shared secret key which we have used earlier in encryption. So if they both got matched, means the confidentiality are ensuring, and then the message will go to sender side or receiver side, right? So it will gonna receive by receiver. So you can also understand like that. Suppose this message you can say it is a plain text in network security terms. After encryption it will become cipher text, right? Cipher text. And after decryption it will again take place as a plain text. So these are the important terminology in network security, that's why I have put it here, right? So I hope the topic of the message confidentiality is clear to you, and don't forget to watch the previous 3 videos of network security, that is digital signature, which is very important for you. The second one is message integrity, and the third one is message authenticity, as it will be very useful for you if you are preparing for any CSIT exam, because the basics of this terminologies they can ask. So guys, if you any kind of confusions, doubts, queries in all these 4 videos including this one, please comment and I will try to solve your all doubt and query as early as possible. Have a very nice day, be safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.